Superstar. Kasama ang Smart Antibacterial Dishwashing Liquid at Knorr Cubes.
Okay, Cook? Pwede nyo nang tanggihin ang inyong mga shirts? Para medyo komportable naman kayo? At makahinga naman si Ara.
Teka lang, be.
Aray. Simula tayo dito sa Yellow Team.
We have your chicken fillet arroz caldo and crispy tokwat baboy. The different thing na ginawa po namin dito is we grated po yung luya para po sumama siya dun sa sabaw. Tapos hindi namin sinama yung bone nung just
Chicken.
chicken para siya. Madali lang rin po siya kainin. We saute it with the rice.
Together with the rice.
Yes, together with the
And then I noticed that you used two rice, di ba?
Yes,
You said earlier.
malagkit at saka yung ordinary rice.
Bango ha? Amoy kasubha.
Parang medyo maalat.
Medyo napadami yung konti yung
Maalat.
asin.
Oo.
Tinikman nyo ba?
Yes po.
Maalat siya.
Basag kami nung tinikman na ni Chef Boy. Alas kaldo, maalat daw.
Halata naman talaga ang alat. So, sabi ko na lang, medyo talaga sinolt namin siya. Kasi may katermo kasi siyang tokwat baboy.
Kapag nagluluto dapat ay laging last minute yung salt.
Crispy tokwa and baboy. Tokwa, you just fry it until it's golden brown.
Magandang presentation ha, parang fine dining ha. Onions, lagyan mo onions. Oo, lagyan mo kunting sauce, matipid na matipid ka naman eh.
Yung nagpo-plating, appreciate naman ni Chef Boy yung stocking ng ng tokwa, tsaka yung pag-layer ng baboy dun sa sides. Okay naman.
I like your sauce. It's very good. It's very tasty. Nandun yung sour and then there's also the sugar, sweetness. Kaso lang yung pork, walang masyado lasa. I like your innovation with the presentation. It's very good. You build tokwa. And of course, you've made a very fantastic design.
Nice presentation, very appetizing, magandang tingnan.
Oh, for the
Dito naman
blue
tayo
team?
sa ating
Blue team.
Ano po niluto namin, burger po, tsaka onion rings po.
beef burger with
Burger with onion rings.
Okay.
Yung beef po namin, baka siya, ground beef. Tapos nilagyan ko po siya ng konting bacon, tapos konting cream, tsaka salt and pepper, and konting parmesan cheese. Kasi po hindi po nag-aano yung alat. Tapos egg po, nilagyan ko rin po. Tsaka flour, para po magdikit siya talaga, mag-texture po siya.
Alam mo ba yung standard ng onion rings as far as yung experience na nakain mo sa restaurant? Hindi pa? Hindi ka pa nakakain ng onion rings? Nakakain ka naman. Crispy. Crispy dapat, no? So,
Golden and crispy.
Ako hindi pa.
alam natin kung ano. Kasi
Kala ko po yung onion rings caramelized.
hindi siya crispy, parang smothered onion na.
Hindi ko po alam ang onion. Opo, hindi ko po alam yun. First time ko yun.
Crispy onion rings.
It's undercooked.
Medium.
Medium.
How many minutes did you cook the burger?
3 to 5 minutes. Kasi po yung iniisip po namin, baka hindi na po siya mag-moist.
Anyway, wala naman kami sinabi na medium rare, but of course, pagka sinabi natin burger, always medium. Never na magkaroon ng medium rare. Maliban lang pagka tenderloin or pwede. All the
Steaks,
beef.
first steaks okay lang.
Hindi ka sure naluto talaga kasi after how many minutes, the reason why kung paghilaw, after 3 hours o 2 hours, mag-contaminate na yun. Kung yung salmonella na, right? Kasi the blood's there. So, manonotice mo pagtingin pa lang. But of course, you did your job. But hindi lang crispy.
May lasa naman yung beef. Yun lang, pag gagawa ka ng sandwich, dapat the mustard should not be there. It is a condiment kasi. So some customers sila prefer to eat mustards. So dapat a mustard. And I saw you earlier, you mix mustard with ketchup, right? And then it's not good. Kaya nga I'm wondering why.
Thank you, Marlene. And MG, good luck.
Salamat po.
But, malat, mukhang galit kayo sa asin ngayon.
Kasi po,
Would you believe that the mommy itself is already salty?
Yeah.
Most especially if you did not blanch.
This is it! Smart antibacterial dishwashing liquid congratulates the green team, Jast and Jude, for being the smart winning team of the week. Ipagpatuloy ninyo sana ang inyong pagiging smart cooks.
Ang mga henyo mula sa iba't ibang universities and colleges.